Can we see another person's hidden friend list on Facebook? Hello everybody, in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. For that, you may open up your Facebook application and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may locate up the friend of whose you want to view the friend list. So for example, I would like to view this friend right here of mine. Go ahead and locate up their profile. And then once you head over to their profile, you should be finding this interface. So here we have this friend section under their profile. So if you are trying to view their friends, you can tap on see all friends. And once you go ahead, and here we have this mutual friends and all section. So in this all section right now, you can see I cannot view their friends. View his friends list because he has probably hidden it. So in order to view the friend list, unfortunately, we cannot do it. So if you're wanting to do that, we cannot do it. It is the privacy policy of Facebook. If the person has decided to hide their friend list, we cannot view it. But still, we can view the mutual friend if they have one. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to view someone's friend list on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.